Oi, oi. Hey, right, now that I've wet me whistle a bit, we can have a bit of a chat. So today is going to be an interesting day, as per usual. We're going to go and meet Jordan, and I don't know who else, but we're going to go into the Boldon Bando, and funnily enough, I've been to an anti-aircraft artillery battery last time when I was out in Glasgow, when I got to an old munitions place. So, it should be kind of good, like, guys, but we've got a little bit of a drive, so well, not bother recording that because I'm still a bit tired, as you can see. It's like the first thing in the morning, but we're getting on flying. Hey. Right, so we've arrived, and I'm doing something a little bit different today because instead of vlogging off of me GoPro session, I'm vlogging from me Samsung S9. So there might be a few different resolutions used throughout the day. Some have got stabilization and all that, but I'm just going to try them out and see how they go. But yeah, we're at the spot. I've got my backpack on, the 2 quads on, got a can of Monster, and I've got all my batteries. Hey. So just waiting for Jordan, who's about 5 minutes away, and then we're going to go and have a walk at the spot. We'll catch us in a bit. Well, Jordan's just rocked up, and he's having gyro problems on his new build. How are you doing, son, Harry? Hey, Jordan, what noise does quad make? Oh, this place is unreal. Oh, you can actually go through the hangar.
Yes, Kaiser, Ricochet, Kalashnikov, nighttime, night breeze, night survival, keep your head low, on the front line trenches.
Nighttime vultures, hidden in the dark of the shadows. Eyes red, night vision sharper than arrows. Tools in my hand cause I'm paro. Prank cause I see many man get hanged from the gallows. Out there, man will teeth the wheels off your barrel. Deep things happen when people think shallow. Jailbirds trapped in a cell doing a sparrow. Raggo, enough to put a spark in your marrow. Street thieves dipping a wallet for take a man's dough. Plan so nippy you won't see where the hands go. Man toast liquor and drink it over man's goals. Jangros, perching right on top of the lamppost. Tramps hold paper bags with a tenants. Drunk brothers stumbling home totally redders. Foreign beggars, seat change heavily preggers. Fellas getting wet out for the Averex levers. As I roam in the street, my arms and my shoulders are weak, and pain flows through the soles of my feet. And a place called home is so sweet. Coppers watch you like drones on the beat, with cold stairs full of holes in the seat. I wonder what they hope to achieve by grabbing me up by my coat on my sleeve. People chat my name, quoting my speech. My mind floats slow when I dream, and I can hear myself moan in my sleep. Cold followers, showing no tolerance for foreigners. They lost in their lives and sick pride of the swastika. Hard cases, racist scar faces, filled with dark hatred, looking for arms blatant. Off my spars blaze, my margins off, saying my father's last name was bastard past blame. To ease my heart's pain, I chant and start praying. Calm the fast flame, the martyr last days.
All the deep black sirens penetrate the silence, blinding light shining, dilate the iris, driver shot hybrids and clock mileage, deep in the dawn light, heavy on the eyelids, bevy by my side, I write this, pennies on my mind, I might switch, high like I'm probably psychic, twisting up quality tie stick, eye child visions of the dominant mind trick, eyes on the hourglass watching the time slip, poverty strikes quick, the night tick, got everyone in the tight grip, a clenched fist, defenseless tense kids turn henchmen to death wish, bleaching, when my friends exit my bed set, I bill a next split, mute news 24 to escape the madness, and wake up travelling on snakes and ladders, grappling with knaves and blaggers, bandits with blades and daggers, taggers, jack the lads getting blazed and bladdered, same as standard, vagrants with all talking damage. Worn and ragged, their clothes all torn and tattered. It's the war zone. Reporters are causing panic. Phone taps crackle with distortion to static. White collar hackers up tapping on laptops. Good cops, bad cops, bankrupt gang cops. Smashing the padlocks on his stash box. Contraband cash crops and crooks that cook crack rocks. Drunks gather in the back of kebab shops that shop beer, knock off brand names.
Who's gonna tell the truth to the youths? Will it be you? Will it be me, or will you leave it to the school to instill twisted rules? Maybe you're confused, perspective and views, but all I see is bare youths killing youths for the love of the loot. It's like Beirut, mini Berettas and vendettas, part-time dappers, iron apple slappers trying to catch us but can't trap us. Little schemers attracted to cash and chaps with chaparitas. Sending chaps to come and cap you in your beamers. Friends turn demons, trapped behind bars for 12 seasons. While his baby mother cries freedom, dreaming of the day that she can flee from the region and begin again like Eden. Escape Babylon and leave behind the demons. Dodgy dealings, crack fanatics fiending. Feds screwing, they're brewing. Can't keep tabs on what I'm doing. Take 10 taxi cabs just to keep them off track. Lone wolf on my jacks, roam road like a ridgeback. Shabby chap, I wore Aggie with a hunchback. Feeling insecure with my thoughts impure. The city's sick like disease and it can't be cured. Top dogs say the word and have you killed from abroad. I bring fire for your fasces and batty man barrel remorse. No remorse, bare back I ride rhythm like horse. Strike I attack your source like the off force. Many say I'm too coarse, but of course life's harsh. Living in a manner with mans with no regards and no regrets. Top shutters and skets. As times advance past, I slowly regress. Exhale stress to get things off my chest. Put my heart into the rhymes for the heads. Enough said, enough dead, enough bled, enough fled. The few that remain, their brain stained with the bloodshed. I play the edge and stay nippy like beds and blaze Ziggy on the regs. Knowing to myself that it's keeping me suppressed. So suppressed. Plus, my dad blazed to his lungs were deprived of breath. Yo, I walk the same path, following his footsteps. Trapped in the quest for the physical flesh. I digest food for thought from the biblical text. Because all judge are blessed, make no pussy test. Kalashnikov, Kaiser and Jess.